Hi. Hello, I'm Lisa C. Broomfield, a doctoral student at Brandman University. For part one of this video, I'll be presenting a case against Leading from the Heart. Mark Crowley, author of Lead from the Heart, presents compelling evidence that leading from the heart is necessary for transformational leadership. That means valuing people, fostering a sense of well-being in people, reinforcing people's self-confidence, supporting and encouraging people when tasks are challenging, and honoring and recognizing people. Basically, Mark Crowley believes that leaders need to support the human needs of people. I don't believe leading from the heart would be at all successful in my profession. As the director of categorical programs, my job is all about compliance. There is no room for heart. I have to make sure people spend their money correctly, and any sign of weakness on my part, such as leading from the heart, would spell disaster for me. If I'm soft, people will walk all over me. In my world, rules are meant to be followed, period. I'm not supporting the human side of people. I'm supporting the business side of people. I just need people to do their job for the reward of receiving a paycheck. I don't need them to like me. Mark Crowley is totally wrong in his approach to leadership. For part two of this video, I will be talking to you about my own transformational leadership skills. My life goal is to be a servant leader. A servant leader values others as much as they value themselves. I want to be seen as a woman of faith who is authentic and lives a life where family comes first and whom others can depend on to get things done. In everything I do, I want others to see manifest in actions the values I've identified as well as the purposefulness of my life. My transformational change project is to build the capacity of staff to lead for equity through participating in the AXA Equity Institutes. This in turn will result in closing the achievement gap. Closing the achievement gap for students of color has been one of the guiding forces in my life since I began teaching. It has colored my perception in every school and district I've worked in. I know with every fiber of my being that all children can learn. I've always worked in schools and districts with high numbers of children living in poverty. I've never been intimidated or waived from my course because of poverty. It only makes me more determined to close the opportunity gaps and eliminate the achievement gap. The first thing I've got to do is engage the heart of people to do the work of closing the achievement gap. In fact, I spend lots of time and energy convincing others to support providing resources for children of color. It infuriates me to see schools spending monies on things that don't promote opportunity for students to excel academically, behaviorally, and social-emotionally. Resources must be aligned to support student achievement. We have to stop wasting time and money because time is money and time is precious. I've got to engage the people to see and acknowledge the faces of the children we serve. Now, what does that have to do with my vision and transformational leadership? In order for me to accomplish my vision and my life goals, I've got to learn how to be a transformational leader. My ideas are going nowhere if I can't get people to follow me or value my leadership. My pastor often says he didn't used to care what people said about him. Then he realized that it's very important what people say about you, because if people don't perceive you a certain way, they won't listen to you, be guided by you, or led by you. That's where I'm at right now. I'm working on my delivery, on my reasonableness, on my transformational skills, my transformational leadership skills, and on my ability to lead people. By the end of this doctoral program, I am going to be a force to be reckoned with because I'm learning how to lead people and impact change. All I can say is, watch out, world. Truly, my actions are definitely aligned to lead from the heart. Thank you.